Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have the same OC&T freight train coming, and this time they're heading to East Titusville. Let's check it out. Seven one-engine freight train is heading towards East Titusville right now.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah. There's only like one grain hopper, and everything else is tankers all the way till the end, and there's one behind the power. The tank when it is.
I wonder if they're taking them to the storage tracks down there.
What sort? Yeah.
Like down between the tankers and
The hoppers, yeah.
the plastic.
First I have to get the sequel. Well, let's wait till the train leaves so we can get off and get back on. We don't want to miss the, I don't want to miss the rear. The camera doesn't like missing the rear. She doesn't like missing the rear. But after this train, we're going to get off and we'll get back on with the next train, probably over either at Burger King or Sable-Lot, because we're not going to make it over to the next street. Right? That's why,
Alright, you got enough of the back there?
Yeah. Yeah. So, there we go. Alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train over at Burger King and Sable-Lot. Talk to you later.